Chord change hints. With a bit of practice, you should be able to grab the chords without looking at the fretboard. This will save you a lot of time since you won't need to look back and forth between the tablature and your fretboard. Instead, you can focus your eyes on the tablature to see which chord comes next. Doing this will also force your muscle memory to take control, which is great. Here's an exercise to get your chord changes better and faster. Practice on changing between C and A minor 20 times at your own pace. Try to grab the chord in one motion rather than adding one finger at a time. Make sure that the fingering is correct and that each string rings out with a clear sound. If you make a mistake during this exercise, then adjust your fingers until it's correct before you move on to the next chord. This is to get each chord into your muscle memory. Once you nail the chords, try to grab them without looking at the fretboard. And trust your muscle memory to guide your fingers. Look at the fretboard if you need, but try to do it as little as possible. Now, do this exercise a few times on different days and notice how you develop. Add speed whenever you feel ready.